Boom. What's up, my beautiful people? D-Lo here from Rincon de Armas. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on FTT104's Gunsmithing Tools and Lab. Basically, today's video is going to be pretty much how to field strip a firearm. Simple field strip. Field strip meaning a way that it was taught so that people can actually disassemble their firearm on the field while in war or fighting, clean it up, fix it up, and put it back together. So it's a simple field strip, and I'll be using what I have is my Taurus G2C. First and foremost, I want to make sure that the firearm is cleared of any live ammunition. Also, side note, I just finished moving, so please excuse that there's no actual workspace just yet, as I'm deciding where in our new house we will have this workspace for me to work. So there is no magazine. That's one way to check, right? No magazine, obviously. No round came out of the extraction chamber. All right, now I can visually inspect, you can see, and I can physically inspect, as you can see. There is no live round in the firearm or in this current workspace, temporary workspace. So let's get right to it. Boom. Right, what I like to do is I go here. It's very similar to the Glock takedown. Right, press this down here. There's two sides. Bring it down, release, and well, I'll have to press the trigger. So I'm gonna remove that little holster, and boom. That's step one. Taking apart the lower where the trigger is, the upper slide, barrel, recoil, spring. Then you'll take out the recoil spring as so by pressing it a little forward and popping it up just like that. There you have your recoil spring. Now it's the barrel. What I like to do with the barrel, I like to give a little nudge forward so it gives me enough space to pop it all the way up and then pull it right back out. Boom. Yes. And the gun is dirty because I shoot this gun a lot. So that is a basic field strip. Now, if I wanted to, I can oil my slide, right, where it rides on the rails. I can oil my rails after a good wipe down, clean up, spray, whatever you want to do to it to make sure you get any carbon in there, out of there. Basically, then you can scrub it up, wipe it down, oil the rails, oil the slide, right? Get a little bit in there from that wear and tear. As you see, it's no longer black in there. It's a little bit of wear and tear from there. It's my first pistol, so it's been used and abused. I've colored it. Barrel, you can see, and recoil spring. Now, to get a little bit more detailed, which I don't know if they would do this in the field. I'm not a soldier, I'm not former military, ex-military, nothing like that. So I'm not sure if they would actually take apart the trigger group, fire control group, by removing the pins and then popping it all out. It's 3 pins, doesn't take much to come out. Just got like a mallet, a pin punch, and then you're good to go. So now I'll reassemble it for you because, again, this is supposed to be a simple process for you to be able to like get your gun and your firearm back in working order, at least for your pistol. All right, so then I'll take my slide, take that barrel, and just like I popped it out the other way, I'm going to slide it in, try to get it a little bit to the barrel out, pop it down, pop it back. Doesn't come back out. Second, your recoil spring will go in that second hole. All right, now it's not going to stay loose like this because Obviously there's a piece there, a notch, where you want to press this back in a little bit, and you'll hear it, that little click. All right, now it's no longer swaying back and forth. All right, simple reassembly of the upper slide, whatever you want to call it. Then we have the lower. So what you do is you line up the back parts with the front parts of your rail, as so. Slide it back, rack it a couple times. All right, boom. This is a Taurus G2C with the restrike capability. That's been the field stripping and reassembly of my Taurus G2C. New videos, new content coming soon. Stay tuned for that. New area. So I'm excited to show you guys a lot more videos and stuff once I pick a designated location for my gunsmith shop work area. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy shooting. Peace.